Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this syringe pencil out of a syringe. The things that we need are this 2 ml syringe, a knife, and also you need this graphite rod. That's it. Let's get started. There is a sharp needle in that, so we're going to break this needle now. Break the way in which we would dispose it in a proper way. I had to make a cut in this part of the syringe to make the graphite rod go inside the syringe. So we'll now cut it. I made a cut at this point so that the graphite lead can go inside. Make sure that when you cut it, it goes inside and it doesn't fall down. We need to make sure that the graphite rod holds this casing. Now let's proceed. Just insert this cap into the syringe back. Just take out the rubber cork of the syringe. Just insert that graphite, and now make sure that the graphite rod is 1.5 to 2 centimeters long. Just close it, and you have a syringe pen pencil with a cap. To show whether it writes or not and to show how to work with it, I'll show a demonstration. So this is the syringe pencil now which I'm going to use. It writes like a normal pencil. To increase the height of the graphite rod, just put pressure from backwards so that you get that graphite rod to be more longer, and to get it back, just push it so softly to the ground to move the piston back.